Good afternoon, ma'am. Excuse me, may I ask something?
Good afternoon. Of course. How can I help you?
I am looking for an English dictionary. Where can I find it, please?
You can find it on the second shelf near the grammar books.
Thank you very much. And may I also see some story books for teenagers?
Sure. They are on the next shelf. Would you like me to show you?
That would be very kind of you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you like English stories?
Yes, I do. I want to learn new words and practice reading.
That is wonderful. Keep learning, and you will get better soon.
Thank you for your help and advice. Have a nice day.
You too, dear. Have a great day.
Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to pay for these books, please.
Sure. Let me see. You have 2 books, right?
Yes, ma'am. 1 dictionary and 1 storybook.
All right. The total is 120,000 rupees.
May I pay with cash?
Yes, of course. Here is your change and the receipt.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You are welcome. Would you like me to put them in a bag?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Here you go. Have a great day and enjoy your books.
Thank you. Have a nice day, too. Oh, Rena, what a surprise! I did not expect to see you here.
Hi, Lisa. Haha, yes, I came to buy some notebooks. How about you?
I just bought an English dictionary and a storybook.
That is great. You really like studying English, don't you?
Yes, I do. I want to learn new words every day.
You are so diligent. I should learn from you.
Haha, thank you. But you are also smart, Rena.
That is very kind of you to say. By the way, do you want to go home together?
Sure, but can we stop by the snack shop first?
Of course. I am a little hungry, too. Let's go.
Rena, look. There is a siomai cart over there. It smells so good.
Oh, yes, I love siomai. Let's buy some instead of going to the snack shop.
Good idea. Excuse me, sir. May we have 2 portions of siomai, please?
Sure, young ladies. Would you like it spicy?
A little spicy for me, please.
For me, not spicy, please.
All right. Please wait a moment.
Thank you, sir. It smells even better up close.
Ha ha, yes, I am already hungry just by smelling it.
Here you go, girls. 2 portions of siomai.
Thank you very much, sir. How much is it?
It is 20,000 rupiahs in total.
Here you go, sir. Please keep the change.
Oh, thank you so much. Have a nice day, girls.
You too, sir. Your siomai is really delicious.